First 5 ng both teams. Gitna na daw po kayo sa loob ng court. Yung violet daw po, dito daw po tayo sa right side. Violet ball. Kahanda inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 22. Outside. TSCOM Phantoms ball. Gallardo. Gallardo pass to Belio. Pass to jersey number 3. No good. Nakuha ni Henugin. Pass to Alvarez. Pass to Kahandab. Pull up J. No good. Rebound by Gallardo. Gallardo. Outside. Same ball. Jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo. Gallardo. Foul. Jersey number 7, Belo committed first personal foul. First team foul. Kandab. is stolen by Belio. Belio pa rin ang betangan ng bola. Belio looking for his teammates. Feria. Pass to Alvarez is stolen by Pascual. Pass to Belo. Belo. Dancing with the wrong song. Traveling violation. Turn over. Here comes Gallardo, brings on the ball. Gallardo. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 looking for his teammates. Pump. Fake. Back to Gallardo. Pass to Belo. Full of J. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Pass to Gallardo at the middle. 24 second shot clock violation. Alvarez inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 17. Kahandab. Pass to jersey number 21. Baranda. Traveling violation. Takin daw po, takin. Gallardo, bring down the ball. Gallardo, pass to Belo. 10 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound by Baranda. Baranda, binababa ang bola. Baranda pa rin, binigay kay Alvarez. Butataka. Hold the ball rep, substitution. Manansala in. Jersey number 21 out. Henugin inbound the ball. Pass to Feria using the glass. No good. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez pass to Manansala. 5 seconds to shoot. Here comes Kahandab. Pull up J. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. He's stolen by Alvarez. Binigay kay Kahandab. Kahandab nagkagawan. Kahandab pa rin. Kahandab. Pass to jersey number 22. No good pa rin. Here comes Gallardo. Gallardo. Inangat. First 2 points ng ating laban. Jersey number 28, Gallardo. Here comes Manansala. Pump is stolen by jersey number 3. Pass to Belo. Belo, sidestepping move. 2 points by Belo. Time left. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Here comes Senogin. Pass to Kahandab. Tries for 3. Her ball. Here comes again Belo. Belo using the glass. No good. Rebound by Belo again. Outside. The ball goes to Phantoms. All double rep substitution. Baranda in. Alvarez out. Jersey number 3, pass to Gallardo. Setting the play right now. Gallardo, look at his teammates. Pass to jersey number 3. Back. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Henugin, pass to Manansala. Back to Henugin. Pass to Baranda. Tries for 3. No good. Rebound by Hinugin. Pump. Is stolen by jersey number 3. Pass to Belo. Ang bilis naman nun. Wala. Nakakuha ni Baranda. Baranda sidestepping. No good. Here comes Candab. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni Perea sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Ito na naman si Belo. Time out. Sure. Back to the ball game. Official score 6-0 in favor of Phantoms. Hinugin on the ball. Pass to Manansala. Manansala setting the play right now. Back to Hinugin. 15 seconds to shoot. Here comes Baranda. Binigay kay Manansala. Last 10 seconds. Manansala tries for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Binababa ang bola. Jersey number 3 pa rin. Binigay sa ilalim. Same ball. Ay, nabigay na eh. Mamaya. He's stolen by jersey number 23. Pass to Manansala. Manansala, binababa ang bola. Holdable ref, substitution. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 28, Gallardo committed first personal foul. Here comes Cruz. Cruz, pass to Feria. Feria, step back jumper, or ball, rebound by jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo for 3. No good, rebound by jersey number 1, using the glass, 2 points. 8-0 run. Here comes Cruz, setting the play right now. Tries for 3, no good. Rebound by Pascual. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo, no good. Rebound by jersey number 5, no good again. Turnover, violet ball, audible rep substitution. Kahandab, pass to Baranda. Baranda using the glass, 2 points. Here comes Gallardo. Gallardo, pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to Pascual. Pass to jersey number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 1 at the middle, no good. Rebound by jersey number 5 is stolen by Kahandab. Pass to jersey number 12, Torres. No good again. Torres pa rin. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo. Gallardo pa rin nabentangan ng bola. Screen by jersey number 1. Gallardo. Pass to jersey number 3. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28, but there's a foul. Jersey number 21, Baranda committed first personal foul. First try, no good. Second try. Basket is good. Time left. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Kahanda, screen by Baranda. Kahanda pa rin, binigay kay Baranda. Umatake, but there's a foul. Honorable ref, substitution. First personal foul. Kahanda. Pass to Torres, pass to Cruz, pass to Alvarez. Jersey number 5 committed. First personal foul. 2 shots para kay Alvarez. First try, no good. Second try. No good again. Here comes jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Kahandab. Kahandab bring down the ball. Pass to Gallardo. Gallardo dribbling the ball, guarded by Cruz. Gallardo pa rin. Wala, nakuha ni Gallardo pa rin. Binigay kay jersey number 5. Nilapit, using the glass. 2 points. By jersey number 5. Botilo. Cruz. Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Torres. Back to Cruz. Cruz pa rin nabentangan ng bola. He's stolen by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, pass to Botilo. Back to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 5, wala. Last 1 second. End of the first quarter. Jersey number 3 inbound the ball, pass to Bello. Bello, back to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 11, Pascual, no good. Rebound by Baranda. Pass to Henugin. Henugin. Pass to Kahandab. Tries for 3, no good. Rebound by Pascual. Pass to Nerona, pass to Bello, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. foul. Offensive foul ang tinawag kay jersey number 3, committed. First, personal foul, holdable ref, substitution. Feria in, Kahandab out. Two points by Hinugin. Nerona inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. Back to Nerona. Nerona dribbling the ball, guarded by Hinugin. Nerona behind the back. Pass to Bello. Bello sidestepping is stolen by Alvarez. Pass to Manansala. But there's a foul. Jersey number 3 committed second personal foul. 2 shots para kay Manansala. First try, basket is good. Second try. To zone. Show TSCom Phantom ball. Nerona bring down the ball. Nerona guarded by Henugin. Pass to is stolen by Feria. Pass to Manansala. Pass to Baranda at the middle. Pass to Henugin. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by Feria. Outside. The ball goes to TSCom Phantom. Jersey number 3. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 3 pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to 11. Pascual. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Baranda. Pass to Feria. Dancing with the wrong song. Traveling violation. Holdable rep substitution. Timeout! TSCom Phantom.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Gallardo inbound the ball. Pass to Nerona. Nerona guarded by Henugin. Back to Gallardo. Tries for 3. No good. Rebound by Kahandab. Kahandab. Crossover move. Kahandab. Pass to Feria all alone. 2 points by Feria. Score 11-7. 4-point lead by TSCom Phantom. Nerona pump. But there's a foul. Feria committed. First personal foul. Gallardo using the glass. 2 points para kay Gallardo. Here comes Baranda. Back to Kahandab. Kahandab is screened by Baranda. Kahandab pa rin napitangan ng bola. Kahandab Umatake, inangat, 2 points by Kahandab. Here comes Gallardo. Pass to jersey number 5, Botilo. Pass to Nerona, wala. Here comes Baranda. Baranda, pass to Henugin. No good. Follow-up shot by Feria. No good again. Rebound by Kahandab. Kahandab. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni jersey number. Foldable rep. Substitution. Dillinger in. Alvarez out.
Jason Bayon.
Here comes Bello, guarded by Dillinger. Bello sidestep in, but there's a foul. Jersey number 23, Feria committed second personal foul. First try para kay Bello, basket is good. Second try. Basket is good again, 2 out of 2. He score 59, 6-point lead para sa TSC Phantoms. Rebound by Baranda, pass to Dillinger. But there's a call, traveling violation. Gallardo. Gallardo pa rin nabintangan ng bola. Gallardo, pass stolen by Kahandab. Kahandab using the glass, no good. Rebound by Dillinger. Dillinger, pump, shot, no good. Rebound by same ball. Foldable rep, substitution, Manansala in, Alvarez in, Feria and Kahandab out. Here comes Manansala. Ooh, what a move. No good. Rebound by Pascual. Pass to Gallardo. Pass to Pascual. Back to Gallardo. Pass to Bello. 7 seconds to shoot. Bello. No good. Here comes Baranda. Baranda pass to Henugin. 2 points. Gallardo, pass to Nerona, no good. Rebound by Alvarez. Pass to Henugin. Henugin guarded by Bello, screened by Baranda. Henugin pa rin, nagawa ni Pascual. Pascual, binigay kay Bello, binigay kay jersey number 3. Easy 2 points by jersey number 3. Manansala. Time out. Sure. Usman rep, jersey number 7 committed. No. Back to the ball game. Cruz inbound the ball. Pass to Dillinger. Dillinger setting the play right now. Back to Cruz. Pull up J. No good. Rebound by Manansala. Shot. No good again. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez. Pass to Dillinger. Shots for 3. No good. Rebound by Manansala pa rin. Manansala. No. Jersey number 3. Bring on the ball. Down to 4-point lead. Here comes Gallardo. Shot. No good. Rebound by Nerona. Nerona. No good again. But there's a foul. Jersey number 11. Pascual. Second. Hello. Baranda. Pass to Dillinger. Back to Baranda at the middle. Lays it up. No good. Rebound by Nerona. Is stolen by Dillinger. Dillinger. Pass to Baranda sa ilalim. 2 points. He scores 17-15. No. Pascual committed third personal foul. Here comes Manansala. Bring down the ball. Manansala. Pass to Baranda. 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes jersey number 3. Pass to Nerona. Nerona. Pump using the glass. 2 points. Last 45 seconds. He scored. Using the glass, no good. Here comes Gallardo. Gallardo, nagmamadali. Gallardo, inangat. Bato sa foul, loose foul rep. Jersey number 22, Alvarez committed. First personal foul. First try para kay Gallardo. Basket is good. Second try. No good. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez guarded by Pascual. Alvarez pa rin nabentangan ng bola. Naghahanap na papasahan. Binigay kay Baranda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Pass to outside. Turnover. Last 14 seconds. Gallardo. Gallardo binigay kay Nerona. Nerona binigay sa ilalim. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 1. Dillinger committed. First personal foul. Nakuha ni Nerona. Hit siya. Wala. Last 2 seconds. And of the
Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, and shipping is the lifeblood of our nation. Over 3 million TEUs of cargo pass through Philippine ports every year, and a major part of this is serviced by Philippines Pan-Asia Carrier Corporation, one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. Originally established in 1973 by founder Don Sulpicio Go, Pan-Asia has, for the last 50 years, helped build the nation's economy by transporting goods from every industry, by moving cargo from centrally located ports into the most distant parts of the country, and by shipping the goods that touch the lives of every Filipino. Philippines Pan-Asia Carrier Corporation is one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. And our vision is to be our clients' most trusted cargo logistics partner. We deliver consistent value for partners through a reliable, efficient, and easy customer experience in inter-island cargo logistics. And we forge strong relationships with our talents, customers, suppliers, shareholders, and communities by building on the values of integrity and trust. For over 50 years, Pan-Asia has been guided by the values of its founders and central to its success. The values of integrity, excellence, innovation, and customer centricity. Today, Pan-Asia offers its customers one of the most significant shipping capacities in the country. Its fleet of 19 cargo vessels is the largest container shipping fleet in the Philippines. All of our vessels are IAX certified with international standards of quality and safety. Pan-Asia operates in 16 ports nationwide, which cater to up to 90% of all container volume. And our strategically located container yards with efficient warehouse spaces ensure that our clients' cargo are safe and secure. These container yards have a total area of over 200,000 square meters and utilize some of the most up-to-date lifting equipment in the industry. Pan-Asia has over 20,000 TEUs of internationally certified containers and is constantly acquiring new containers to handle the volume and ensure cargo quality and safety. In addition, we operate a modern hauling fleet, delivery fleet, and offer over 10,000 square meters of warehouse space. Pan-Asia provides its customers with 7 key services: port-to-port containerized cargo, door-to-door containerized cargo, break bulk and loose cargo handling, forwarding, less container load or LCL consolidation, rolling cargo shipments, and reefer containerized cargo. We have weekly shipping schedules, customer hotlines, and 14 branch offices in major cities. Pan-Asia is also undergoing a digital transformation throughout our company. We are moving towards building web booking systems to enable customers to book 24/7 and to access information in real time. We also partnered with Certica, which aims to improve vessel reliability and availability through timely maintenance.
Pass to Henugin. It's stolen by Gallardo. Gallardo, what a pass to Bello. But there's a foul. Torres committed. Foul. Mighty Mouse committed personal foul. Ay, si Mighty Mouse pala yung Pipitro. Second try. Kahandab. Pass to Henukin. No good. Rebound by Gallardo. Stolen by Kahandab. Pass to Torres. Stolen by Gallardo. Gallardo.
Yuri lang, mandaro sa Yuri time mo.
Injury timeout. Hello.
Okay na, sir. Okay na. May kumalit na.
No good. Rebound by Gagalaw. Uno. Feria inbound the ball. Pass to Manansala. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3 is stolen by Manansala. Manansala inangat. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Pass to Neron. Out. Shaw. Back to the ball game. Dillinger inbound the ball. Pass to Henugin. Henugin pass to Kahandab. Guarded by jersey number 3. Kahandab, but there's a foul. Jersey number 3. Warning to graduate. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Binigay kay Neron. Neron. 5 seconds to shoot. Here comes Neron. Full of J. 2 points. He scored 27-17. 10-point lead para sa TSC Phantoms. Here comes jersey number 3, but there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 21, Baranda committed. Correction, jersey number 3 ng TSC Phantoms, third personal foul. Here comes jersey number 5 seconds to shoot. Here comes Nerona for 3. Kaboom! Nerona, 3 points. Here comes Senugin. Senugin, pass to Alvarez. Good. Here comes Nerona. Nerona binigay kay Bello for 3. No good. Rebound by No good. Rebound by Kahandab. 2 points by Kahandab. Belio. Belio pa rin ang bensangan ng bola. Binigay kay Nerona. Holdable rep substitution. Feria in. Dillinger out. Here comes Peria. Peria pa rin nabitangan ng bola. At the middle, no good. Rebound by Henugin using the glass. 2 points. Jersey number 1. Bring down the ball. Bella for 3. No good. Rebound by Baranda. Binigay kay Peria. Two points. Jersey number 3 inbound ball pass 2. Natin eh. Yun. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 binigay kay Botilo. Hello. Mighty Mouse. Dancing with the wrong song. Trap. Hello. Substitution. Pasok na po lahat ng papasok. Kandab. Pushing foul. Feria committed. Third personal. No. Jersey number 3 pass to Sailalim using the glass by Nerona. 2 points. Baranda, pass to Kahandab. Kahandab, guard for jersey number 5, Botilo. 10 seconds to shoot. Kahandab, pull up J, 2 points. Here comes Pascual. Pascual, pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Gallardo, guarded by Kahandab. Gallardo outside. The ball goes to same ball. All the ball rep, substitution. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Here comes Nerona. Nerona pa rin. Nakuha ni Feria, binigay sa kalaban. Botilo. Pass to Pascual. Pascual binigay kay Gallardo. Here comes Kahandab. Hello. No good. Rebound by But there's a foul. Loose ball rep. Jersey number 21. Baranda committed third personal foul. First try para kay Botilo, no good. Second try. No good. Rebound by Nerona. Pass to Gallardo. Gallardo looking for his teammates. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Gallardo pa rin napitakan ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Gallardo is stolen by Manansala. Pass to jersey number 3, Henogin. Back to Manansala. No good. Gallardo, binababa ang bola. Hinangat, wala. Nakakuha ni outside, the ball goes to jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 5, Botilo. Guarded by Kahanda, Botilo. Pass to outside, turnover.
Ready?
Henogin. Pass to Kahandab. Butter. Second personal foul. Rebound by Pascual. Pass jersey number. Kick violation.
Benza, ready?
Short ball. Last 27 seconds. Jersey number 3, pass to Gallardo. No good. Rebound by jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, binigay kay Handab. Outside. Last 5.5 seconds.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Back to the ball game.
Violet Defensa. Gallardo. Gallardo binigay kay jersey number 3. Shot for 3.
points. Here comes Dillinger. Dillinger bring down the ball. Pass to Baranda. Back to Alvarez. He's stop. Hello. Here comes Pascual.
Josh, kabila, si Len, libre. Ken.
Alvarez, pass to Dillinger, pass to Kahandab. For 3, no good. Rebound by
Labas. Shot, Jason. Nice one, son. Nice one.
Dillinger.
Out. Offensive.
No. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, binigay kay Gallardo. 2 points para kay Gallardo. Here comes Kahandab. Pass to Manansala. Pass to Dillinger for 3 points. Here comes jersey number 3. He scored 31-39 in 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes jersey number 1. Kahandab 3 points. Here comes jersey number 3, brings on the ball. Last 10 seconds. Rebound by Manansala. Kahandab, pass to Alvarez. No good, rebound. Jersey number 1. Timeout. Here comes Henogin. Pass to Kahandab for 3. No good. Rebound by Dillinger. Dillinger for 3. Your ball. Here's the number 3. Pass to Mighty Mouse. No. 2 points. Here comes Alvarez. Pass to Jason. Jersey number 3. No. Jersey number. But there's a foul. Loose ball rep. Jersey number 1. Second. Personal foul. All the ball rep. Substitution. Baranda in. Alvarez out. Jersey number 11. Pascual. Inbound the ball. Pass 2 is stolen by Baranda. Baranda. Binigay kay Henugin. 2 points by Henugin. Here comes Bello. Pass to Nerona. Nerona. Guarded by Feria. Foul. Jersey number 21, Baran. Warning to graduate. No. Second throw to zone. The ball goes to short ball. Henugin brings down the ball. Pass to Kahandab. Kahandab, 3-point.
Lapit dito, yan. Yan.
Gallardo. Gallardo pa rin. Gallardo. Second personal foul. Here comes Henugin, full of J. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pa rin ang betangan ng bola. Guarded by Henugin. Screened by Bello. Jersey number 3 stolen by Baranda. Pass. Baranda pa rin. Binigay kay Baranda. Hinangat. Same ball. Henugin inbound the ball.
Ayun o. Nice one. Ay, puta.
No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Is stolen by Kahandab. Kahandab. But there's a foul.
Ken.
All the ball rep substitution. Who's ball rep? Jersey number 11. Warning to first try para kay jersey number 3. Basket is good. Second throw. Basket is good again. Here comes jersey number 3.
Hindi pwede. Kati ka po. Hindi ka na pwede na eh. Hawakan mo ni bola eh.
Time out. Yes, Com Phantoms whining for delaying the game. Back to the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 29 seconds in the last quarter. Jersey number 3 pass to Nerona. Pass to Gallardo. No good rebound by Kahandao. Kahandao pa rin ang betangan ng bola. Kahandao. Down to 2-point lead. Here comes Nerona. Nerona pa rin, but there's a foul. Loose ball rep. Jersey number 1. Third personal foul. Foul. Loose ball rep. Jersey number 3. Henogin. First. Warning to penalty. First throw para kay jersey number. Basket is good. Second try, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3 again. Jersey number 3, easy lang tao. Binigay kay Gallardo. 15 seconds to shoot. Here comes Nerona. Nerona, attack, laser up, no good.
Substitute.
Substitute player offshore. Here comes Henugin, pass to Alvarez for 3. No good, rebound by Mananzala. Nagawa ni Baranda. Pascual. Graduate. Multiple rep substitution. Feriang in, Dillinger out. 2 shots para kay jersey number 21. First try, no good. Second try. Multiple rep substitution. Here comes jersey number 3. Pass to Nerona pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Nerona. Last 2 minutes. Here comes Kandab. Kandab pa rin ang bentahan ng bola. Binigay kay hold the ball up. Hinugin in. Alvarez out. Sa ilalim, 2 points. Score, 45-46. Change favor. Lamang na ng time out. TSCOM Phantoms. Change favor.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Gallardo inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to Nerona. Nerona. Hinangat. 2 points. Lamang ulit ng isa. Ang TSCOM Phantoms. Here comes Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse dribbling the 8 seconds violation. Time out! Back to the ball game. And again inbound the ball, pass to jersey number 17. Pass to Baranda. Baranda binigay kay Henogin. Henogin back to Baranda. Fake shot, no good. Wala pa rin. What a goal rep. Loose ball foul. Lang yung tinawag kay jersey number 24. Manansala. Penalty tayo rep. Manansala committed third personal foul penalty. First try basket is good. Second try para kay jersey number 3. No good rebound by jersey number 21. Baranda pass to outside. Here comes Hinugin. Hinugin bring down the ball. Hinugin. Hinugin pass to turnover. All the ball rep substitution. Number 3 inbound the ball. Pass to Belio. Belio pa rin ang bentakan ng bola. Here comes Nerona. Nerona. Gallardo. Third personal foul, warning to penalty. Here comes Baranda, pass to Hinugin. Last 40 seconds. Pass to Manzala. Pass to Kahandab. Pass to Baranda. Dancing with the wrong song, traveling but substitution. Nakuha ni Gul. Backcourt violation. Last 25 seconds. Here comes Dillinger. Pass to Kanda. For 3. Kanda. 3 points. Back to the ball game. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, foul. Kaya sa basket. Manansala. Second personal foul. Bonus shot para kay jersey number. What a move by jersey number 3. At 3-point play chance. Bonus shot. No good. Rebound by foul. Jersey number 1, Dillinger. Planning to graduate. First drive basket is good. Second drive. Timeout.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier.
Here comes in again. Last 15 seconds. In again. Pass to Alvarez for 3. Rebound by Dillinger. Pass to Candam. No good again. Rebound by Candam pa rin.
And here we are with our best player of the game, no other than number 20, Raymart Nerona with 19 points, 7 rebounds. And of course, kitang-kita naman sir, no, yung dalawang go-ahead basket mo. Yung galing sa ilalim, napasa ni Radovan, ay ang pinaka naging turning point, no sir, nung game natin. Anong mga naging pag-uusap nyo during the timeouts, Bob? Siyempre nakita naman natin humabol yung team, and siyempre nakapag go-ahead basket ka. Ano yung naging conversation during the timeout para doon?
Tiwala lang sa isa't isa. Wag lang ma-pressure. Yun lang sir. Thank you sir.
Napakagandang komento no. And meron bang gustong batiyan at pasalamatan, sir?
Salamat sa mga nanonood, tsaka salamat sa mga nanonood sa mga ka-team namin na hindi nakalaro. Next time makakalaro na tayong lahat. Tsaka sa shoutout sa asawa ko.
Ayun again, si Mr. Raymart Nerona, our best player of the game. Maraming salamat, sir. And we'll be back for more, of course. Batang Player versus Onsite Norte.